A very good evening, students. Today we will learn how to describe objects in a proper manner. Objects are our companions. In a civilized society, we need various kinds of objects in our everyday life or day to day life, made up of different materials having certain shapes and colors. These objects have their certain locations and they serve us in various ways. Objects like furniture goods, vehicles, and automobiles, electronic goods, tools, toys, containers, bags, etc., are very useful to us. Now, we'll learn how to describe these objects. As you can see, table, desk, ladder, shed, pencils, bookshelf, bird table, chest of drawers, wardrobe. You should know that what points kept in mind while describing these objects. As we are going to read, firstly you'll have to mention the name of the object, then its shape, whether it is of square, rectangular, oval or spherical shape, its color, its contents or parts, its location, its utility, that is very important. And at the end, you'll have to write your remarks about that specific object. Some more points to remember while writing any description. Firstly, you'll have to make a rough list of possible relevant points. Then organize your ideas. Arrange ideas logically. After organizing your ideas, you'll have to arrange your ideas in a logical manner. Don't include any irrelevant material. You should stick to the word limit. Then revise your fair draft and at the end make corrections if there is any error. Clear? Now we are going to describe this motorbike. Here you can see one motorbike. It is a nice motorbike. It is black colored, Hero Splendor, the most selling bike in the country. The bike has an engine of 100 cc capacity and it comes loaded with all basic features. It has alloy wheels, self-start feature and a digital speedometer. It comes with 4 gears and promises a good pickup. With a maximum seating capacity of 2 and maximum speed limit of 120 km per hour, this bike yields a mileage of 70 km per liter. Overall, it is an ideal bike for Indian roads. So here I have mentioned brand's name, color, capacity of this bike, and I have also described some features like wheels, whether it starts on kick or self start, its pickup power, number of gears, seating capacity, speedometer, maximum speed, and at the end I have given my remarks. So dear students, in this way you can describe any object. Now we will learn how to describe a kitchen. Clear? It is beautiful kitchen. It is quite spacious with all necessary fittings and fixtures. There are windows on both sides and that is the reason that it is well lit and well ventilated. It is furnished with RO system, electric chimney, a gas stove, microwave oven, spacious racks for utensils. One corner of the kitchen is used for dishwashing. The kitchen has big shelves. There is a one basket of fruits and it has almirahs to accommodate almost everything from cutlery, crockery, etc. to the grocery items. And this is truly an ideal kitchen. Clear? So students, in this way you can describe any object or any place, any room in your home. Clear? And your homework is to describe your father or mother's mobile phone. And you should keep some points in your mind like brand's name, color, screen size, operating system, features, etc. Thank you students. Have a nice day ahead.